Hi guys, me and my family, we have been traveling for more than 5 years now, and we've been eating food from all over the world. And now we're in Sri Lanka, so we're eating all kinds of Sri Lankan food. And now it's lunchtime. Let's go. Oh, all kinds of dried food. Check out this hello sir, big dried fish. This is fish, huh? Wow. What kind of fish is this?
Kata.
Atta?
Kata fish.
Kata fish. Kata. Wow. Alright, so let's go to this place, you know. I saw this place, we walked by here. They have all kinds of food. Hopefully also now for lunch. Let's see what they have. Hello sir, how are you? Hello sir. Can we have some food? Yes, we can. Alright. Check it out. I want to try this red rice because I've seen red rice before. Alright. These are snack thingies. That's not so much food actually, but you know, I'll figure something out, right? First, there's always at least one Buddha. Well, here in this case, it's 6 and 7 and 8. Lots of them, you know, kind of like protected room. I'm not sure. See, that's where the action happens. It is lunch now. It's 1 o'clock, but it's not that much going on. You know, kind of like, I don't know, maybe like the working class. I'm not sure. The baby is sleeping. And we are ready to eat. I got this. I got the red rice. I am still not sure why the red rice is red rice, but I've seen it in many places. We have some dal. I have some, I'm not sure, these are some veggies. I have a chicken leg. And my son here has also the red rice with a piece of chicken and lots of gravy, right? Then the daughter only wants white rice and dal. She could have more, but she chooses only to have that. And then my wife has some gravy sauce and some veggies and some dal.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of chicken in there. Looks like it. Yes, that's cute. Guys, so let's try. This is actually not the first meal in Sri Lanka, but the first time with this red rice, which I don't know anything about, but it's a very Sri Lankan rice. And I've seen red rice in other countries, of course, but someone's trying to get behind me. Oh, are you okay? All right. All good. Anyway, so let's dig in. Okay, let you see it, right? Anyway, let's try the rice first, that red rice. It's interesting. I mean, I don't taste a big difference. It's a good rice anyway. It's not taste-wise. Maybe actually it has a certain, I'm not so sure. But anyway, so let's try some of that dal here. See? Good dal. That's a very good dal. It's a little bit spicy, not too much. Actually, this is like the best dal we've had. Well, we've only been here for a few days, right? But this is really good. Really good. Try to mix it up with a bit with the chicken gravy, the rice, and the dal. It's good, man. It's really good. I'm liking it. I'm definitely digging this. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So we have this, I don't know what this stuff is here. It looks like it's grated vegetables. I mean, the last time I had a rice and curry dish in Pata, I had something similar like that. Yeah, it's good. I wouldn't know what this is. Hello, my friend. Hello. What's this?
Goa.
This one.
Goa.
Goa. Goa? English? Never mind. Cabbage. This is cabbage? Oh, this, okay. Oh, good, cabbage, yeah. All right,
This one English name.
cabbage. See, that's it, all right. All right, see, now I know. Actually, yeah, once I know it, it tastes like it, right? It's good. All right, it's good, man. I like it, it's food. I'm already liking it a lot, actually. I got a chicken leg, small chicken leg. It's not even necessary, but let's try it. All right. Ah, it's good. It's actually very good. Yeah, that's a good meal. Cabbage. That's actually quite a portion, right? Let's see what they charge for that. I'm not even sure, you know. Food has been very cheap in Sri Lanka so far. I haven't had so much food yet, but it was actually almost very good. I mean, because the devaluation of the currency, I mean, things got more expensive, but at the same time, the currency was devaluated. So for us foreigners, it's like before, right? So, and it's quite okay, I think. Not so okay for the Sri Lankans, of course, because they're not making much more money, right? So they devaluate the currency. They don't know about that. Only that things are getting more expensive all around the world, right? I am liking this food. This simple, humble, working class meal. I'm not sure if that's what it is. I guess 10 out of 10 points, definitely. It's very, very good. I like it. How's your food? Huh?
Very good.
Did-
I love the dal.
The dal is great, right? I thought that it's maybe almost one of the best dals I've had in my life, actually. And the red rice, huh? I'm not sure. Why is it red? Is it because it's not peeled, or I'm not sure. It's just the color of it, right? I guess. I mean, I read somewhere red rice, you know, for the sake of playing with the word, right? So it's just the color of it. How do you like your food?
It's awesome.
It's awesome, right? See, because you have the best. You have the dal and you have rice, but you have the white rice. Is your food good?
Yes.
Yes. All right. You don't taste the difference between this rice and the white rice? There's not much big difference, right, in taste? What would you say? He is a bit different, maybe, but it's not like that. It's very, very different. Maybe
More flavor.
maybe it has more flavor. That's it. Yeah, I think that could be it. Definitely. Anyway, let's eat some more. And yeah, dude, it's a very good meal. That's the thing you want, right? If you have a lunch, you order some unknown food. I mean, it's not unknown to me. Rice and curry is like, it's like mother's milk to me, right? That's all of us. But in Sri Lanka, it has its own taste, right? And yeah, lots of you might think. I mean, those ones who are not from Sri Lanka might think, that's just like India, right? Not true. It is very different. It does not taste like India at all. Although I've seen similar rice in India, but yeah, the curries, the foods, the mains. That's a different story. I love Indian food, but I'm also love Sri Lankan food, but it's not the same. There's certain items that are the same, you know. We also have rice and curries, they have parathas, they have certain things they have in India too, but it's not the same thing. I got a Coca-Cola glass, just with water. Water, by the way, also a misconception, is absolutely drinkable. I mean, I'm not sure in all the places, but here in the central or in the Colombo areas, no problem. I mean, we have not, even the kids drink it, there's no problem at all. It's very good. I mean the tap water, right? Not just the water. I mean the tap water. Yeah. Right, guys. By the way, in Sri Lanka, there's a great thing which is called ginger beer. And it's very good. Thank you. Oh, all good, thanks. This is like this. I've only seen this kind of ginger beer because it tastes so much like ginger. You know, like I've seen ginger beer in other places, but not like as gingery as the ones here in Sri Lanka. So this is, of course, this is a reason to go to Sri Lanka. To actually have a spicy drink where you can taste the real ginger in it. It's not so super sweet. It's not like Coca-Cola, you know, which is basically poison, right? This makes your hair grow in your chest, maybe.
Actually is from the Coca-Cola company.
Yeah, but it's not Coca-Cola.
No.
They just bought it.
Much better.
Much better, definitely. Oh, the fried rice man. The fried rice man. Very good. Bye, guys. Oh, right. Yeah, it was very good. It's a fantastic place. I like the food here. Bye-bye. Very good food. Oh, what's the name of this?
Vijay Foods. Vijay Foods.
Vijay Foods. All right. Only, but it's not a chain. It's only this one. One. All right. It's very good. Bye-bye. All right, guys. Yeah, so we got one more down, right? It's good food. Very good food, actually. I'm dreaming about it still. All right, guys. Bye-bye. Take good care. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Take good care. Yeah. Vijay Foods in Kosawata.